Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram following problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is understand that originality of your content plays a very vital role. So as you create an original content not copied from any other Instagram content creators, that's likely to increase your following as well. Now simply create a original content with very eye-catching edits as per your preference and then post it, and that should increase your following. Now the second thing that you can do is simply using the ads boost that is present in the Instagram app. Simply tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on 3 horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, and here you can see your ads if it is present right here, or simply go to settings and privacy and scroll down, and then you'll find an option with the ads. Right now, by paying it, you'll be able to boost your profile to various Instagram accounts, and that will increase your following as well. Now the third thing is creating a bio that is really attracting to the people and using a DP as well. And that's basically how to fix Instagram following problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.